Psychology. Logarithms occur in several laws describing human perception. Hicks' law proposes a logarithmic relation between the time individuals take to choose an alternative and the number of choices they have. Fitts' law predicts that the time required to rapidly move to a target area is a logarithmic function of the distance to and the size of the target. In psychophysics, the Weber-Wegener law proposes a logarithmic relationship between stimulus and sensation, such as the actual Vs, the perceived weight of an item a person is carrying. This law, however, is less realistic than more recent models, such as Stevens' power law. Psychological studies found that individuals with little mathematics education tend to estimate quantities logarithmically. That is, they position a number or an unmarked line according to its logarithm, so that 10 is positioned as close to 100 as 100 is to 1,000. Increasing education shifts this to a linear estimate, positioning 100 10 times faster as far away. In some circumstances, while logarithms are used when the numbers to be plotted are difficult to plot linearly. Probability theory and statistics. Logarithms arise in probability theory. The law of large numbers dictates that for a fair coin, as the number of coin tosses increases to infinity, the observed proportion of heads approaches 1/2. The fluctuations of this proportion about 1/2 are described by the law of the iterated logarithm. Logarithms also occur in log normal distributions. When the logarithm of a random variable has a normal distribution, the variable is said to have a log normal distribution. Log normal distributions are encountered in many fields, wherever a variable is formed as a product of many independent positive random variables. For example, in the study of turbulence. Logarithms are used for maximum likelihood estimation or parametric statistical models. For such a model, the likelihood function depends on at least one parameter that must be estimated. A maximum of the likelihood function occurs at the same parameter value as a maximum of the logarithm of the likelihood, the log likelihood. Because the logarithm is an increasing function, the log likelihood is easier to maximize, especially for the multiplied likelihoods for independent random variables. Benford's law describes the occurrence of digits in many datasets, such as heights of buildings. According to Benford's law, the probability that the first decimal digit of an item in the data sample is d from 1 to 9 equals the logarithm 10 parentheses d plus 1 minus log 10 parentheses d, regardless of the unit measurement. Thus, about 30% of the data can be expected to have 1 as first digit, 18% start with 2, etc. Auditors examine deviations from Benford's law to detect fraudulent accounting. Computational complexity. Analysis of algorithms is a branch of computer science that studies the performance of algorithms, computer programs solving a certain problem. Logarithms are valuable for describing algorithms that divide the problem into smaller ones and join the solutions of the sub-problems. For example, to find the number in a sorted list, the binary search algorithm checks the middle entry and proceeds with the half before or after the middle entry if the number is still not found. This algorithm requires, on average, a logarithm 2 parentheses n, capital N comparisons, where capital N is the list's length. Similarly, the merge sort algorithm sorts an unsorted list by dividing the list into halves and sorting these first before merging the results. Merge sort algorithms typically require time approximately proportional to capital N times logarithm capital N parentheses. The base of the logarithm is not specified here because the result only changes by a constant factor when another base is used. A constant factor is usually disregarded in the analysis of algorithms under the standard uniform cost model. A function f parentheses x is said to grow logarithmically if f parentheses x is exactly or approximately proportional to the logarithm of x. Biological descriptions of organism growth, However, use this term for an exponential function. For example, any natural number n, capital N, can be represented in binary form in no more than logarithm 2 parentheses capital N plus 1 bits. In other words, the amount of memory needed to store capital N grows logarithmically with n. Entropy and chaos. Entropy is broadly measured of the disorder of some system. In statistical thermodynamics, the entropy S of some physical system is defined as S minus K sigma I P I ln parentheses Pi. The sum is over all possible states I of the system in question, such as the positions of gas particles in a container. Moreover, Pi is a probability that the state I is attained, and K is the Boltzmann constant. Similarly, entropy in information theory measures the quantity of information. If a message recipient may expect any of one capital N possible messages with equal likelihood, then the amount of information conveyed by any one such message is quantified as log 2 n bits. Lyapunov exponents use logarithms to gauge the degree of chaoticity of a dynamical system. For example, for a particle moving on an oval billiard table, even small changes of the initial conditions result in very different pairs of the particle. Such systems are chaotic in a deterministic way because small measurement errors of the initial state predictably lead to largely different final states. At least one Lyapunov exponent of the deterministically chaotic system is positive. Fractals. Logarithms occur in definitions of the dimension of fractals. Fractals are geometric objects that are self-similar. Small parts reproduce at least roughly the entire global structure.